Welcome back. We are so glad you could join us for this custom deep dive today.
We're looking at a highly practical topic today.
Right, something almost every driver faces at some point. We're talking about navigating chipped auto glass repair.
Specifically, what to do if you're driving around Essex County, New Jersey.
Exactly. And for this deep dive, we're analyzing an informational guide provided by Windshield Replacement LLC.
Our mission today is to figure out exactly when a damaged windshield requires a full, expensive replacement.
Versus just a simple, inexpensive repair.
Right.
Okay, let's unpack this. Because, nobody wants to pay for a whole new windshield if they don't have to. The source gives us this incredible golden rule of thumb.
The quarter rule.
Yes. If the chip on your glass is smaller than a U.S. quarter,
And any radiating cracks are shorter than 3 inches.
you are in luck. It can likely be repaired without tossing the whole windshield out.
And understanding the science of that fix is crucial. Modern auto glass repair isn't just slapping a superficial cosmetic Band-Aid on your car. Professional technicians actually inject a special clear resin directly into the damaged area to fix things like star brakes, bullseyes, combination brakes.
Wait, before we go further, what do those actually look like? I mean, I'm picturing a literal bullseye target on my windshield.
Well, it's pretty close, actually. A bullseye looks like a tiny crater with concentric rings around it.
Okay.
A star brake has little cracks shooting outward from the center, kind of like a starburst.
Makes sense.
And a combination brake is just a mix of both. But regardless of the shape, that liquid resin goes in and cures, usually under UV light. It completely restores both the optical clarity and the structural integrity of the glass.
Which is a huge deal, right? Because a windshield isn't just there to keep the wind out of your face anymore.
Not at all. In modern vehicles, the windshield is a critical structural component of the car's cabin.
It helps support the roof in a rollover, right?
Exactly. It keeps it from crushing inward. Plus, it acts as the backstop for the passenger side airbag.
Oh, wow. So if the glass is compromised.
The windshield could pop out or shatter during a collision, meaning the airbag won't deploy correctly.
Here's where it gets really interesting, though. Because you might look at a tiny bullseye and think it's no big deal to wait.
Especially in Essex County.
Exactly. We've got notoriously hot summers and freezing winters here. So say I have a tiny chip. What happens if I just ignore it through a freezing New Jersey winter?
You're going to experience severe thermal shock.
The thermal shock.
Right. Imagine you park outside on a freezing January night in Newark. The glass gets ice cold and contracts.
Right.
And you hop in the next morning and blast the defroster.
Oh, I see. So the inside of the glass rapidly heats up and expands.
While the outside is still freezing.
So the glass is literally fighting itself.
Precisely. The layers of the windshield are experiencing completely different rates of thermal expansion.
And then you hit a pothole.
Exactly. When you combine that thermal stress with the constant road vibrations from your daily commute,
The physical pressure multiplies.
it rapidly forces that tiny, easily repairable chip to expand into a massive crack.
Just stretching right across your line of sight.
And suddenly you really do need a total windshield replacement.
That makes total sense. The cold weather is pulling the compromised glass apart while the car shakes.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, the financial context of waiting is stark. Local Essex County repairs typically cost between $50 and $150.
But don't most comprehensive insurance policies cover that?
Yes, they usually fully cover chip repairs. They often waive the deductible entirely for this specific service.
So getting a minor chip fixed right away means you likely pay absolutely nothing out of pocket.
Exactly. The real reason insurance companies do this is pure actuarial math. They would much rather eat a $50 repair today than pay $1,000 for a full replacement tomorrow.
So what does this all mean? It means you need to act quickly before the weather shifts, or you hit one too many potholes.
Right.
If you're dealing with auto glass damage in the area, the source specifically recommends Windshield Replacement LLC in Newark,
They offer both mobile and in-shop services.
which makes it super convenient to get that resin injected before the damage spreads. You can contact them at 862-400-3780.
Or visit windshieldreplacementllc.com.
It really comes down to tackling a minor inconvenience before the environment turns it into a major structural expense.
Absolutely.
And as we wrap up today's deep dive, we want to leave you with one final, lingering, provocative thought to explore on your own.
Something to ponder.
Consider the physics of the repair resin itself. How exactly does a liquid injection manage to perfectly mimic the optical clarity and structural strength of factory molded glass while enduring those extreme Essex County temperature swings?
It is truly fascinating technology.
Something to think about next time you're behind the wheel. See you next time.